Oh, oh gosh. So nervous. My glasses is not yet fixed. That's fine. Well, what a lovely day. Okay. Well, I love my room. Oops, I forgot the window. Well, it's time. Well, I guess this is promising. Where is that? This is annoying. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm ready. Well, let's go then. Where's Snow gone to? Oh, well, she's on her way to the clouds. Oh, hey Mom, what's for breakfast? Oh, bacon and your favorite fish. Yummy. Well, Mom, I better go now. I'm not that too hungry. Okay, sweetie. Okay, thanks, Mom. She's still not there yet. Well, I better go to my bed now. I'm too sleepy to go to the mall. Whatever. Well, I'm going to set my timer to 8 p.m. Now, what shall I do today? I don't know. Oh. I've got a plan.